Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to update you guys on my crypto stock positions. Currently I am holding HUT. I'm holding HUT at 2 calls and about what, like 450 shares for $6,900. I'm holding, my biggest position right now is BITF, which was up 15%. I have around 37k and $2,800. Where's RIOT? Do I have RIOT over here? There you go. On RIOT, I have 4 calls on RIOT, up about 50% on these, and 1 share. And also I have where are my, for BTB, I actually had a call, right? I had, how many calls did I had? I had 1 single call for $10 at 620. Sold it for 640 because I needed liquidity, because I wanted to buy more BITF and more HUT. So BT, I am fully out of Bit Digital just because I saw more volume go into HUT and more volume go into bid farms. So my biggest positions right now are bid farms. I think at like I said, like almost 40k, and then HUT 8 mining at around almost $7,000, and then plus like the other options and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on my what is it called, my crypto stocks. Just my crypto stocks. I'm basically swinging these up until I think that Bitcoin probably has hit a point. After that, I will be selling everything and probably just holding on to cash for the foreseeable future, at least until I find something else that I would definitely like to swing, or I'll probably just end up doing like the breakout strategy on like at a higher dollar level. So we'll see what happens, but just wanted to update you guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye.